guys, welcome to Gemini by Bree / Bree Having a whole lot of changes going on, guys. I know it's been so long. Y'all probably like different setup. Yes, I'm not in the apartment I was in before. New one, I moved. Different video, different time. Wanted to come in, check in with you guys. I sound horrible. It's wintertime in New York and y'all know how it gets when it's cold out here. I'm coming here to document my process for the chemical peel. I'm about to go get it now. I'm going to actual dermatologist. Now, let's just, get the peel going. Let's see how my skin goes. I know, first off, y'all are probably like, what do you need a peel for? Your skin is really clear. It's clear, but it's not even. 1 and 2, I just had a baby. I'm like 5 months postpartum. I had oily skin before I gave birth. My entire pregnancy, before I got pregnant, I had oily skin. But now my skin is so dry. Like my daughter sucked out all the oils out of my skin because my skin is dry. Like right after I gave birth, I'll tell you my skin was the driest it's ever been. And I am struggling to figure out what I'm supposed to do for dry skin because it's just not working out. But anyways, I'm about to take the bus, go to the dermatologist to get my chemical peel. So my problem area that I've kind of been hiding on camera these last few years, but I don't know if you can see it. I got this black spot that's like darker than my entire skin. I got hairs and stuff. My neck has a lot of scars under my chin. This side too, I have another black spot. So it's literally like somebody literally was like this on my face. I don't understand. But so yes, and then my neck, like my chest to my face, y'all can see like it's 2 different colors. I got really like burned from the sun, I guess you could say. Like when I was growing up, when my skin was like going through its changes. So my chest and my face never got the connection, or it got the connection, but I burned in the sun while it was like going through it. So it was kind of confusing it. So I'm about to hop on the bus to get there because my appointment is like in like 40 minutes. I will see you guys in a little bit once I'm outside on the bus. All right, y'all, I'm in the office waiting for the doctor people then to come do this peel. I'm debating on a medium peel and an intense peel. I think I'm gonna go for that intense peel because I have a lot of like work I want to do. And I think if I start with the intense and then go down to the medium the last 2 times, I should be good. Once again, dryness, hyperpigmentation. So I'll probably be back when they're done just because first time getting it, I don't really want to film it and I'm like a little awkward. So I'd rather just like show you little snippets and then I'll come back and talk to you guys, like do the day-to-day, day-by-day type of thing. Hey guys, I'm back. So this is what my face looks like right out of the peel. It don't kind of seem like nothing's on my face. Is on it. All these like glossy stuff is Vaseline because they have to protect your eyes, like the crease of your nose, the corners of your mouth because it's very sensitive. Your lips are sensitive. They don't want the peel to get on your lips. They have to put like Vaseline. She just put on a corner. And like when she went over my mouth, this is where we are so far. I have the VI peel comes with a post-treatment kit. And I bought Cetaphil because I'm supposed to use like a gentle cleanse in like the next 2 hours or so. They say 4 hours after the first peel, I'm supposed to cleanse gently, wash it off, pat dry. They gave me a cleanser in here. So use the cleanser they gave me, the towelette. We'll get more into it when I'm about to start applying it to my face and stuff later on. But for now, I'm gonna go relax. Your girl is tired and you out here how I sound like a man. So. Hey guys, I'm back. This is my face now after the 4 hours have passed and I've washed off the peel. I forgot to record it. A lot was going on. I'm gonna record it tomorrow night, or I'm gonna do it in the morning for the morning time. But this is what my skin looks like right now. It actually looks really good. Like, oh, one thing I did not tell y'all, she did not put it on my neck because she said it's too strong for my neck, which I'm a little sad about. So like, damn. The only thing I'm a little mad about, but I'm like, okay, whatever. I want to put some Vaseline on my lips. Then I'm gonna chill for the night. They said you're supposed to do the cleanse thing twice. The first day, but I was watching a video and a dermatologist I was watching said if you do the first peel, the first cleanse, you can kind of leave that for your nighttime and just go to sleep because it's already on your face and, you know, stuff. And then in the morning, you just cleanse and you make sure you do it twice the next day. So that's what I decided to do instead of doing it twice now. So far, so good. And when I cleansed it off, I did get a little bit of tingling, which I was like, okay, that feels good. Hey, y'all, it's officially day 2. I'm about to cleanse my face really quick. This is what it looks like on the wake up. It's looking good. So far, so good. I had some tingling and itching last night all over my face, so I kept like patting and, you know, like gently patting just to get it to stop yawning. I'm gonna come back once I finish washing my face. All right, y'all. So this is what my face looks like after I've put the cleanser, pat dry, and did the towelette. I'm gonna let it dry for 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and show y'all what my face looks like. What's up with the sunscreen and the post-peel moisturizer. The post-treatment repair cream. The daily SPF 50. And then here is my last power towelette and my other cleanser. I'm still using the first cleanser. So like you can get about three uses for your face out of one pack of the cleanser, but you have to use the entire towelette. So you can't just use half. You have to use the whole thing and soak it on your skin. So what I did was just like rub it around. Well, not rub it, I pressed it around and I like pressed it into my skin because I want a really good peel. So we're gonna see how it goes, but I'm about to wait for the next 10 minutes. I think I got like 8 minutes left. I'll be back once I'm done. Hey y'all, this is day 2 once again, but this is just the nighttime routine. I already did everything. I just wanted to show you guys my face really quick. This is it with the thing on and stuff. Tonight, actually, there was a difference when I used the towelette. This time, it actually burned when I like put it on. I was like, ooh. So I let it like cool for a minute and then I applied the post peel protectant. We're gonna let our face breathe for the next hour or so. To start peeling on day 3, which is tomorrow. So I guess we shall see. When I washed my face today and I came out the shower, I noticed my face had like this white cast on it. But that was the peel marinating, so I know it's working and it's doing what it needs to do. So far, so good. Hit y'all back up tomorrow with next updates. Okay, y'all, this is like right before I'm about to do my day 3 of the skincare with the peel, and yeah, we got a whole lot. They did, my dermatologist definitely told me that I was gonna start from my mouth and work out, and that's exactly what it's doing. I'm feeling like a little bit of tingling here and there. Itching has been like intense. I've been just patting all over my face the entire time, and my lips are really dry. They're not really dry, but they feel a little dry. So once I'm done with my face, I'm gonna put more Vaseline on my lips and drink more water. We're good to go. So I'm gonna come back after I do my skincare and just show y'all like the end of the night. Okay, y'all, it's day 3, and this is what me looking like. I already I was laying down, so like my little eyelid area a little wet. This is what the peelation has started. Just excited, yay. Later on today, it will be like a lot of peeling a lot more. So I'll come back later with some updates so y'all can see. Like, and it's itching. Like it's itching, so I be tapping and tapping. Every time I get close, I'll be like, chemical peel, chemical peel. No scratching, no itching, nothing. Pat, pat. We are patting dry, but yeah, this is where we are. I'll be back in a little bit because we'll see how later on my face go before I wash my face tonight. As y'all can see really quick, this is what my face looks like after I have wet it before using the cleanser. I am still using their cleanser. After I'm done, I'm gonna switch to Cetaphil. It's a gentle cleanser, post-peel treatment, and let it sit in my skin for the night. BRB. Hey y'all, it is day 4 of the peel, and you see we got some active peeling. So far so good. I'm about to go cleanse my face and then I will check in with you guys throughout the day. So just gonna be peeling for the next 3 days or so. Hey y'all, we are still on day 4, and this is like what the peeling is looking like. It's really getting in there. Like I can see like the fresh skin and the old skin, the dirty skin. It's been tingling. I've actually been applying the post-peel treatment a little more than twice a day because I've been feeling a lot of tingling and stuff and itching and stuff, and it's supposed to. And I'll be back tomorrow, day 5. Hey y'all, it is day 5. Excuse the way I sound. I am in the of a cold and it's just so we can definitely see new skin is right here. Old skin is right here. And I'm just gonna cleanse my face and then I'll probably like check in the middle of the day to show you if I have any peeling. Yes, I'm still applying that post-peel treatment like 2 or 3 times. Not 2, because 2 is morning and night, and then I apply it at least like 2 more times in a day if like it's really itching me. Pat y'all skin, y'all. Pat it. This is just me like after washing my face. I have finished the cleanser that came with the kit, so now I'm using Cetaphil. All the other stuff I have has acid in it. You're not supposed to add acid on your face in the middle of acid. So this is it. We could see the new skin is right here. I am really enjoying this. Like this one in my mirror, like on camera, it's a little darker because it's still peeling right there. And this one too, and I feel it's gonna get darker before it gets lighter, so we're still waiting on that. But in the mirror, this doesn't show up as clear. Like, okay, you see, like it's not showing up as like dark, and that's what's going on in the mirror. I think this one's gonna finish within 1 to 2 peels, and this one may finish between 2 to 4 peels. I know, I'm crazy. My next appointment is in February, right before it gets too hot, and I can like work on, you know, protecting my skin in the sun and doing what I need to do. But yeah, this is it so far, and this is, I cannot front. Like, I'm loving the results, and it's barely done, but money well spent. Good morning, guys. It is day 6. Excuse how I sound again. This cold is like in and out and whatever the case is. See what my face is looking like. Still peeling. Y'all see that new layer of clean skin looking so good. I don't know. I really want this thing going, so I'm happy that it's actually like itching so that it can get off my face. Yeah, I'm happy off my face, but I'm about to do my morning skincare again, and I will see y'all throughout the day. Okay, y'all. So this is like 3 hours after I've done my skincare and stuff. We're getting there, but I'm really enjoying this peel. So, even my family's already saying like, oh my God, we could see the difference. Like, that clean, fresh, new skin right there. Yes. Break down all of this. I'll see you guys tonight. Hey y'all, it's still day 6. And I'm just showing you guys like the peeling and stuff. It's nothing too crazy. But my skin looks really good. I just wanted y'all to see like whatever else is there. Like at least we know I don't got that much dead skin and stuff, but it came out good. Excuse this hair. My braids will be coming out this week. I just can't wash my hair while doing the chemical peel. So I gotta wait till I think after Thursday I should be in the clear. But yeah, this is what day 6 looks like. And I'm gonna add on more post-peel treatment because my skin is itchy and that's what you're supposed to do. So guys, it is day 6. Skin's doing a little purging, but it's like the only one there. My skin looks really, really good and it's nice and smooth. We are still peeling right back here. And all the way to the other side and under here and stuff. But the peel is pretty much over. So the next clip will probably be after some days have passed, and we will discuss the peel in detail. But I enjoyed this experience. I'm about to do my day 7 night cleanse and go eat. So the next step will be my thoughts and opinions.